What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys seen yesterday we got that red thing together, man. You know it is time to shine and ride that thing for the very first time, man. That candy red along with that chrome is looking so amazing, man. But we're gonna get it pulled out here and get right to it, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. Without you guys, none of this would be possible, man. So don't never stop believing in yourself, man. Always go up and shoot for the stars. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, this thing right here, yes, the one, the star of the show today, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry for the giveaway. We literally got less than 100 hats left, so now could be your time to have a Harley, man. I know the Harleys is expensive, and I just made it easy for you, man. So copy you a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. In the meantime, let's get it out. Yes, sir. It's a little hot out, but never too hot to ride, man. I'm about to pull her out and get cracking, dog. Man, y'all know my favorite part of the bike is the wheels. Thing looks so good. That chrome on color just looks so much better than that black. I ain't gonna hold you, like that black is nice, but if we had chrome, I'm starting to like chrome a lot more. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. When I first got into Harleys, I wasn't really a big chrome guy. But now, things is slowly starting to change, man. So, we're gonna see if we can get here done today, man. I don't got the freaking windshield for this thing yet, man. So, this might be a little bit rough of a ride, but all in all, we gonna enjoy it, man. So, let's get it going. Sir, we have made it out to the desert. This thing is riding lovely, looking even better. I am digging it. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's hot as heck out here in the desert right now, but this ride is definitely worth it. I wish I had a windshield on there, but no big deal. The windshield that we want is actually back ordered for a few months, so what can you do about it? Meanwhile, this thing does look amazing, man, and it rides good. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. I ain't got y'all no slow-mo in a while, and I think this bike presents itself for a slow-mo, man. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, we have just made it to Harley. We had to get the floorboard mounts for our 2020 Road Glide. So we up here real quick, man. This thing rides lovely. We just need a freaking windscreen. It's freaking hot as heck out here. It's literally like 114, like at least 110, dog. Hot as heck, man. But we're about to get up in here real quick and see what's good. Alrighty guys, we have just made it back to the crib. Man, when I tell you it is freaking hot out here, dog, it is so hot. It is burning up. All the above. Thirsty as heck, dog. I wouldn't recommend riding out here this time in the daytime like I just did, but since this was the first ride, you know, why not? But definitely got to get a freaking windshield when we go back out. In this desert, it's like no joke. It's like you just riding through an oven the whole time, literally. But this thing rides and looks amazing, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. If you haven't entered the giveaway for this thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com. Copy you a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Can't wait, man. This thing could be yours, man. But what y'all think about the first ride, though, man? Let your boy know. We're gonna get this thing parked up and see what we can do, man. Alrighty, now that we got that thing back in the lineup and in the mix, we can wait for the little parts, like the little trim piece right here. There's a little cover that goes over this part of the bars, and then our turn signals, of course. But all in all, no big deal. Pretty smooth ride. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We did get that first ride on that red thing today, man. That thing was so freaking fun. Yet again, so hot at the same time, man. I don't even see how I stayed out there this long. But more of the story is, man, that thing looking good, running good, and all in between, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody out there, man. But in the meantime, man, I'm freaking tired and whooped. This heat is blowing me, man. I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.